Hey, Foiler, can I put you on my YouTube intro? You don't mind, do you? Say something. Cause we about to customize some shoes. Ain't this right, girl?
So as we know, consistency is key, right? That's why you're seeing me. Anyways, what's up, YouTube? I'm glad to be back. Thank y'all for watching. If you haven't watched none of my other videos, make sure you watch those. And if you're watching this one, thank you for watching this one. If you're not subscribed, please do so. If you don't want to subscribe, I don't know why you shouldn't or wouldn't. Anyways, oh yeah, I feel like it's important to say what this video is about. So we are customizing AF1S again, but we are doing them the Plastidip way. You know, the routine. I will show everybody how everything goes. Alright, these are the supplies we will be using for this custom. Plastidip, acetone, and cotton balls. And there are a few paints I used throughout this video, and I will also let you know those in the description. Now it is time to take the laces out of the shoe. I think we all know how to do that. Of course! Now it is time to acetone your shoe. We don't have to acetone it as usual because we're not laying multiple coats onto the leather and rubber. But yeah, you acetone it lightly, you know. Acetone lightly, you know. Now you're seeing me tape up the shoe. I am taping up the areas I don't want the Plastidip paint to get on. So you will see me tape up the entire upper area. All done. And we will start off with our blue Plastidip. Look at that. This bottle is beautiful. Alright, now you're about to see me make a mistake that was not planned. Of course, it's a mistake. But anyways, it worked out right. But still, watch this.
Oh my God!
Yep, that was the mistake. But watch what I do. Yeah, maybe this will work. And guess what, guys? You would not believe it. Look at it. Look. Look. Could you believe that? This is how it turned out with me using my mistake method. But now it is time for me to show you guys the method that I meant to show you before I made the mistake. You just get the liquid rubber, aka the Plastidip, and pour it onto the sole. I found this way easier. No, the other way was kind of easier. Whatever. It still comes out looking the same. And now you'll see me making white drip effects slash splatter, whichever one you want to do or call it. Be mindful that touch-ups will be made off camera, so don't think I'm just going to leave these shoes looking rough, sloppy, whatever, however you see, you know, with all this, yeah. Time to paint the Nike sign yellow. Remember, everything in this video is optional except the Plastidip part. You want to do that, right? That's why you're here. But yeah, paint the Nike sign yellow if you want to follow what I'm doing. Light coats, not too heavy, because you know, that's how we paint. Yeah, this is how we do that part, guys. And once again, thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate you all, and I will keep dropping more content all day, every day.